Oh. Hello everyone, I'm Nikita, Marketing Manager for Capilano University, and today we are going to talk about what is Capilano is all about, a brief introduction on Capilano University, few USPs, few like why should we recommend this university to a student, and what are the programs offered by this university, and how the eligibility takes place for Capilano University, and how the admission and application process takes place for our university. But before moving on or before starting the session, first I would like to say thank you for IITM team for arranging this platform where we guys can talk and discuss more about Capilano. And apart from this, I would like to say thank you to all of you for joining in for this session today. So let's start. Capilano is 53-year-old teaching and learning university from North Vancouver, British Columbia, and it is one of the oldest and the largest public funded university from our province, which is again British Columbia. So कैपेलानो 1968 में एस्टेब्लिश हुई थी, टीचिंग एंड लर्निंग यूनिवर्सिटी है. लोकेशन जो है कैपेलानो के लिए दैट इज वैंकूवर, ब्रिटिश कोलंबिया. एंड इफ आई टॉक अबाउट द प्रोग्राम्स जो कैपेलानो आपको ऑफर करता है, कैपेलानो आपको ऑफर करता है 4 years ऑफ बैचलर डिग्री, 2 years ऑफ एसोसिएट डिग्रीज, few PG programs, your diploma, certificate, and pathway programs. Apart from this, in Capilano, if I talk about the student, we have more than 12,000 students. And out of these 12,000 students as well, we have 3,200 plus international students who are coming from 86 different countries. लेकिन इन 3200 international student में भी 1,000 plus are Indian international student. And if I talk about Capilano, Capilano is British Columbia's first public institution or a government university with North American accreditation. Accreditation का आपको क्या benefit है कि जो आपका program है that is valid in entire Canada, it's valid in North US, or a student it's valid in North American countries as well, and a student can apply for the jobs in all the available options once the academic session is over. इसके बारे में वी विल टॉक अबाउट शॉर्टेज ऑफ प्रोग्राम्स के बारे में बात करेंगे बिकॉज वी हैव फ्यू प्रोग्राम्स विच आर एफिलिएटेड विद दिस एक्रेडिटेशन. बट एक्रेडिटेशन के लाइक बिफोर टॉकिंग अबाउट द एक्रेडिटेशन और द प्रोग्राम्स, लेट्स टॉक अबाउट few key selling points. Why Capilano? Why should we recommend this university to a student? और एज अ स्टूडेंट आपको ये यूनिवर्सिटी क्यों सेलेक्ट करनी चाहिए एज योर स्टडी लोकेशन? इसमें पहली चीज आती है लोकेशन. लोकेशन प्लेज अ मेजर रोल जब भी आप कोई यूनिवर्सिटी या कॉलेज सेलेक्ट करते हो अपनी फर्दर एजुकेशन के लिए. तो पहले बात करते हैं ब्रिटिश कोलंबिया. ब्रिटिश कोलंबिया इज वन ऑफ द प्रोविंस ऑफ कनाडा और जहाँ पे आपका वैंकूवर लोकेटेड है. एज अ स्टूडेंट अगर आपने कनाडा का नाम सुना है तो यू हैव हर्ड द नेम ऑफ वैंकूवर एज वेल, और आपको बहुत क्लियर अंडरस्टैंडिंग है व्हाट इज वैंकूवर इज ऑल अबाउट. देन आल्सो देयर आर फ्यू पॉइंट्स व्हिच आई वुड लाइक टू डिस्कस फ्रॉम माय एंड. Like Vancouver is the third most livable city in the world with very high HDI index or a human development index. तो आपकी क्वालिटी ऑफ लाइफ ऑटोमेटिकली एनहांस हो जाती है अगर आप वैंकूवर को एज योर स्टडी लोकेशन सेलेक्ट करते हो. सेकेंड थिंग इन दिस, वैंकूवर इज द tourism hub for Canada which even hosted 2010 Winter Olympics. तो इससे आपको थोड़ा आइडिया मिलता है what kind of a vast portfolio the city can offer you in terms of the job. Doesn't matter अगर आपका कोई भी प्रोग्राम बहुत niche प्रोग्राम है, then also you will have the equal opportunities within the city. Third thing, Vancouver is like in terms of temperature, it has very mild climatic conditions, which are like quite compatible as per Indian climatic conditions. So if a student are selecting Vancouver as a study location, so like they are quite familiar with the climatic conditions, which give them an edge over other people. Apart from this, Vancouver is surrounded by nature from every side, and you have everything. You have mountains, sea, forest, high-rise buildings, and everything. And let's talk about your campus, Capilano. Capilano has three campuses based in Vancouver, but our main campus located in North Vancouver. Why this campus is important from Indian market perspective? First, we have the hostel accommodation or a student accommodation in this campus. Second, this is where your CIE is located. What is CIE? CIE basically stands for Center for International Experience, and the main objective of the center is to provide you assistance and support. So, if we are having any student who is studying in Capilano and they are facing any kind of issue, doesn't matter. आपका issue related हो आपके social insurance number, student ID, part-time job, full-time job, you can simply visit CIE and can seek assistance from them. Third thing in here, all the international program which takes place in Capilano are going to take place within this campus itself. So आपके 99.9% जो भी program होगा for the international student, they're going to take place within this campus. And same like Vancouver City, this campus is also surrounded by nature from every side. So as a student, if you have love for outdoor activity, it could be anything. It could be hiking, trekking, beach related activities, water sports. आपके पास सभी options available हैं. You can plan something after your classes. You can plan something on the weekends with your friends and families. अगर accessibility के बारे में भी बात की जाए, आपको 30 मिनट्स लगेंगे डाउनटाउन वैंकूवर के लिए, 20 मिनट्स लगेंगे माउंटेन रेंज के लिए, and 10 minutes for the beach from your main campus. So everything is available within your reach, and if somebody know people in Surrey या आपके कोई रिलेटिव रहते हैं, आपको सरी के लिए भी it will take you 1 hour, around 1 hour, not more than that. Let's talk about the second thing. Capilano is a teaching and a learning university, so हमारा classroom size बहुत छोटा होता है as compared to another university. तो जो एक जनरल स्ट्रेंथ होगी क्लास की, that is going to be around 25 to 30 students only, not more than that. And when you have such a small number, it is very easy for a faculty and a student to connect. And if I talk about the faculty, so every single individual in Capilano, what we have in terms of a teacher or professors in our panel, every single individual will going to have a proper industry experience with the required academic qualification for the subject they are dealing with. And as I talk about the courses, so whatever program we offer you in Capilano, every single program will going to have a practical experience in it. ऐसा आपको कोई भी प्रोग्राम नहीं होगा जो 100% theory based होगा, no. And apart from this, whenever we design any new curriculum or a course in Capilano, we always try to make it teaching focused as much as we can. So overall, I want to say Capilano focus on quality education with an affordable tuition fees. Not cheap tuition fees, affordable tuition fees. So overall जो aim है Capilano का is to offer you more return on your investment. And आपके सारे प्रोग्राम भी डिजाइन इस वे में है that you will get the maximum return whatever the amount you are investing. Now let's talk about the programs. In Capilano, generally if I talk about the Plata, we have 97 plus programs. But all of these programs are not available for Indian nationals or international students and due to various reasons. But what are the categories or what are the available options do our student have? So I'm going to explain them category wise just in order to make you guys uh, like in just it help you to understand more easily. So first category which I would like to talk about, if we having a student from commerce background who have passed out standard 12, what options do you have? You can go for 4 years of bachelor degree in business administration, 2 years of a diploma in the same, and 1 year of a certificate program in business administration. ये आपकी पहले कैटेगरी अवेलेबल है in terms of undergraduate. Second option जो आपके पास अवेलेबल है, that is going to be communication studies, and you have two options under this category: 4 years of bachelor degree and 2 years of a diploma. And if I talk about the PG program, which are equivalent to MBA and their business related program, तो आपके पास दो option आते हैं. First one is NABU and the second one is going to be NABU Applied. These programs stand for North American Business Management Postbachelor Diploma. And these are those two programs which are affiliated with North American accreditation. But what is the difference between these two? They sound similar with the name. NABU is a 1 year program. PG diploma hai. With 3 terms, and a student can avail a work permit up to 1 year once the academic session is over. In terms of tuition deposit, a student have to pay 26,400 Canadian dollars approx for 1 year. And if I talk about NABU Applied, it's a 2 year of a program. PG diploma with 3 terms and 4 months of a practical session or an internship. And a student can avail a work permit up to 3 years once the academic session is over. And in terms of tuition deposit, roughly for 2 years, a student have to pay 32,300 Canadian dollars. तो जो आपका मोटा मोटा या रफ एस्टिमेट लाइक रफ डिफरेंस आता है in terms of 1 year additional fees for NABU and NABU Applied, that is going to be around 5,900 Canadian dollars approx for the time being. Now let's talk about the other categories. We are having a student from arts or commerce, arts or humanities background. What options do you have? A student can go for associate degree in arts journal, in creative writing, English and psychology. And जो भी आपकी associate degree है, सबकी duration 2 years plus है. So if we are having any student who is looking 2+3 ratio, so these options cater those student requirements. So if we are having a student from science background, what option does a student have? A student can apply for associate degree in science, journal or with a specialization in bio or psychology. And as a student, you can also apply for 4 years of a bachelor degree in kinesiology. आपके पास सभी available option है. And these are the stream based. Now let's talk about the general category. General category, I mean to say, open for everybody and any student from any background can apply. तो इसमें आपके पास पहला ऑप्शन जो आता है that is ECE, Early Childhood Care and Education, and you have 3 options under this category. First one is going to be 4 years of a bachelor degree and 2 years of a diploma, and then we have a small pathway program. जो आपके pathway program की duration रहेगी, that is going to be 8 months only, not more than that. तो यहाँ पे हमें थोड़ा सा ध्यान रखना है. अगर आपके प्रोग्राम की ड्यूरेशन इतनी है तो आपके वर्क परमिट की भी मैक्सिमम ड्यूरेशन जो रहेगी, that is going to be 8 months only, not more than that, as per Canadian policies. Now let's talk about the other category in general, that is related to tourism. And you have 4 options available in this category. First one is going to 4 years of a bachelor degree in tourism management, and then you have 2 diplomas. दोनों ही diplomas की जो duration है, that is going to be 2 years. So first you have diploma available in tourism management co-op, and the second option you have available in terms of tourism management diploma for international student, or TMI, or tourism management diploma international. Apart from this, if anybody wants to apply for any PG program or post-bachelor diploma in tourism, a student can apply post-bachelor diploma in global hospitality and tourism management. So this is a general platter which is available from Capilano for Indians international student. We have few other different categories as well, like 2D, 3D animation, visual communication, Idea School of Design. But these programs are not available for the upcoming session, so I'm not giving them much of a focus. Before moving on the eligibility criteria, there are few myths or a doubt which I would like to discuss what few of our students, even the counselors have for Canadian University or for Capilano. तो पहली चीज जो आती है इसमें Capilano accept extended degree, gap years and backlogs. In terms of gap years and backlogs, we don't even have a fixed number. Students should be able to meet our eligibility criteria और उनका documentation proper होना चाहिए in terms of their transcripts and mark sheet. But in case of backlogs, आपकी जितनी भी backlogs हैं, जो भी backlogs है, वो सब clear होनी चाहिए. When are you planning to apply in Capilano? Nothing should be in pending. Everything should be complete, and you should have a proper documentation for the same. Second thing in here which I would like to talk about, Capilano accept open board, distance education and international board to some extent. Same rule applies, you should be able to meet the eligibility criteria and should have a proper documentation in terms of transcripts and mark sheet. Third thing in Capilano, math is not mandatory for business related program or associate degree in science. So if you are coming from a commerce background, non-math student ho, we can consider accountancy, business and economics as a core subject. And your core subject changes from program to program basis. So you keep a note of these things. Now let's talk about the eligibility criteria or what documentation do we require for Capilano. इसमें हमें 4 चीज़ों की मेजर रिक्वायरमेंट होती है. फर्स्ट वन इज द एकेडमिक्स. इन टर्म्स ऑफ एकेडमिक्स, अगर आप कैपिलानो में किसी भी प्रोग्राम के लिए अप्लाई करने का सोच रहे हो, डजंट मैटर इट्स यूजी और अ पीजी, you should have minimum 60% aggregate, overall aggregate in terms of your previous education. अगर आप किसी अंडर ग्रेजुएट प्रोग्राम के लिए अप्लाई कर रहे हो तो आपके स्टैंडर्ड 12th बोर्ड एग्जामिनेशन में मिनिमम 60% होना चाहिए. अगर आप किसी पीजी प्रोग्राम के लिए अप्लाई कर रहे हो तो यू शुड हैव मिनिमम 60% इन टर्म्स ऑफ योर ग्रेजुएशन और इन योर मास्टर्स जो भी आपका रिसेंट डिग्री है. अपार्ट फ्रॉम NABU and NABU applied. For these two programs, we require minimum 65% in terms of your graduation or master's. If I talk about your core subject, not required for every program, but wherever requested, a student should have minimum 50% in each core subject. So I'm carrying on with the previous example. आप कॉमर्स बैकग्राउंड से हैं, नॉन मैथ स्टूडेंट, वी कैन कंसिडर अकाउंटेंसी, बिजनेस एंड इकोनॉमिक्स एज अ कोर सब्जेक्ट. उसमें आपका मिनिमम 50% होना चाहिए एंड ओवरऑल आपका 60% होना चाहिए. So you are eligible in terms of academics from Capilano. Second thing which we require in terms of your eligibility criteria is English language requirement exam. So Capilano accepts 4 exams: IELTS, PTE, Duolingo and TOEFL. अगर IELTS के बारे में बात करें तो we require IELTS 6.5, not less than 6 for majority of our program offered by our university. So 6.5 overall, not less than 6 in each module. We require IELTS academic, journal will not work. And apart from this, it is same for UG and PG. And if I talk about PTE, 56 overall is required, nothing mentioned in between modules. अगर आपका किसी module में 50, 51 है, that is correct, but overall आपका 56 होना चाहिए. Duolingo is 110 and TOEFL is 83 wherever requested or wherever required. Third thing, a student should have a proper passport with the proper validity, because we require the scanned copy of passport whenever you are planning to apply in Capilano or for any international university. Fourth thing, last but not the least, we require 2 additional documentation. One is the CV or a basic resume of a student, nothing too high-fi, just a basic one. Second thing which is required is LOI, letter of intent और SOP, statement of purpose, जहाँ पे आपको relevancy समझानी है, why are you interested in this program with this university. If I talk about the additional documentation not required for majority of UG programs, But in Capilano, we have one or two program undergraduate category which ask for the specific documentation. Programs like Tourism Management Diploma for International Student, and these additional documentation are mandatory for any PG or master's program. तो आपके एलिजिबिलिटी क्राइटेरिया में चार चीजें हैं. फर्स्ट वन इज द एकेडमिक्स, ओवरऑल 60% फॉर मेजॉरिटी ऑफ अ प्रोग्राम. For NABO and NABO applied, we require 65% in terms of your graduation or master's, and 50% in terms of core subject is required. Second thing in here is the English language requirement exam. So Capilano accepts 4 exams: IELTS, PT, Duolingo, and TOEFL. Third thing, a student should have a proper passport with the proper validity. And fourth one is the additional documentation, जिसमें आपकी दो चीजें आती हैं. First one is the CV or a resume, and second one is LOI or SOP. So I hope the eligibility is also clear to everybody. Now let's talk about few additional information that you should be aware when we are talking about Capilano. So इसमें पहली चीज आती है intakes. In Capilano we have 3 intakes in a year for the month of January, May and September. And as per the current date, आपके 2 intake open है. आपका January 22 intake open है. For the last date in order to apply is going to be December 7. Apart from this, आपका May 22 intake open है, जिसके लिए last date होगी apply करने के लिए is May 3rd. And from October onwards, आपका September 22 intake will also open as per the official information received from the university. Second thing in here is going to be application fees. For Capilano, as an international student, you have to pay 135 Canadian dollars, which is same for every program, every intake, and for every student. Third thing, estimate there between 19 to 21,000 for one academic year for Capilano. So they are correct, guys. Their facts are not wrong. कैपिलानो के अंदर कुछ प्रोग्राम ऐसे भी हैं जहाँ पे आपके फर्स्ट ईयर की फीस हायर है, लाइक नाबू नाबू अप्लाइड और TMI, बट इट कंपनसेट इन द सेकेंड ईयर. तो आपका जो एवरेज आता है दैट कम्स अराउंड बिटवीन 19 to 21,000 ओनली. एंड आपके मेजॉरिटी ऑफ प्रोग्राम का जो फीस स्ट्रक्चर है दैट इज गोइंग टू रोम अराउंड दिस फिगर इटसेल्फ. Fourth thing which I would like to discuss is offer letter turnaround time. जो journal turnaround time है, standard time है from Capilano's end, it's going to be 15 days or 2 weeks. If everything is correct, everything is in order, so you will receive your offer letter within 2 weeks time. Apart from few cases or the courses in which international review, departmental review or departmental approval takes place due to competitive entry. So in cases में आपका ऑफर लेटर आने में थोड़ा सा डिले भी हो सकता है, and there could be a refusal as well. This doesn't happen in general scenario, but it could be a possibility. So as being a representative of my university, it is part of my job to make you aware for these kind of things as well. In this, there's no fault of your counselors, and they cannot even do anything, and we also cannot do anything after a certain point of time, because your offer letter is a sole right of a university. Apart from this, I hope everything is clear whatever we have discussed till now. We have talked about what programs we offer you in Capilano, eligibility criteria, and few important points which you should be aware when we are talking about Capilano University. Now let's talk about the admission process, how admission and application process takes place in Capilano. So in Capilano, we don't have any paper or offline application from India. We just have online application, and for that we make a use of our portal which we call Education Planner British Columbia, which is the official portal of a province. So what you have to do, you have to share your documentation with your counselors. They will do the pre-assessment on the basis of that. If you are eligible, everything is correct, we can also support you or assist you in the same. आप eligible हो and you are ready for the Capilano University in order to apply. So what we will do, we will have your documentation We will create your account on EBC Planner by putting your username and the password. Once the account generation has been done, we will fill up the form, submit the application form with the application fee, which is 135 Canadian dollars. आप एप्लीकेशन फी कैसे सबमिट करोगे? बाय मेकिंग यूज ऑफ अ क्रेडिट कार्ड। क्रेडिट कार्ड के थ्रू आपने एप्लीकेशन फी सबमिट कर दी है एंड आपका एप्लीकेशन फॉर्म भी सबमिट हो गया। देन एज अ स्टूडेंट यू कैन अवेल ऑफर लेटर विद इन टर्न अराउंड टाइम। आपका ऑफर लेटर आ गया है। देन व्हाट अ यूनिवर्सिटी विल आस्क यू? यूनिवर्सिटी विल आस्क यू टू डिपॉजिट 5,000 Canadian dollars as a token amount or a security amount. Or as a student, you can even deposit 1 year fees as per your academic structure or as per your choice. But जो आपको medium use करना है, in order to process this payment is going to be flywire.com only, no other medium, no Western Union, nothing. अपने flywire के through fees deposit कर दिया, यूनिवर्सिटी ने acknowledge कर दिया कि they have received your payment. Then you will receive your LOA, acceptance letter, within 3 to 4 working days. Once the LOA has been availed by the student, then you just have to register for the programs online and have to attend the orientation program. Then you will become an official member of Capilano's family. So I hope I'm able to give you the gist about Capilano. We have covered the topics related to introduction on Capilano University. Capilano की location क्या है? Few important key selling points or a unique points for Capilano University. What are the programs offered by this university? Few myth or doubt. Eligibility criteria क्या है? And how the admission and application process takes place for Capilano. Apart from this, if you guys feel like something is not clear and you want to discuss with me or you want to discuss with your counselors in terms of Capilano University, for that I will recommend you to get in touch with IITM team. They're very capable people, well established, and they are the proud partners of Capilano University. Get in touch with them. They're very efficient who will help you and able to guide you in the right direction. Apart from this, if then also you feel like something is not clear and you want to talk to me in terms of Capilano, then also I will recommend you guys to get in touch with your counselors and they can help you to get in touch with me so we can discuss further. And in the last, I would like to say thank you guys for joining in. Take care. Have a good day ahead. Bye bye. And thank you, team, for providing me this opportunity.